Well, John Wilson, who spent one night in this jail before bailing out, is not facing any charges yet in this case that's still in the early stages.
I will sign a release on the Wilson matter.
King County Assessor John Wilson was not in court today, but the allegations against him were the focus.
I couldn't believe what I was seeing. Like, there's just this cavalier feeling, it seems, that the restraining order doesn't pertain to him.
Lee Keller, Wilson's former domestic partner, says on July 2nd she called police to report that Wilson was repeatedly violating a restraining order that requires him to stay 1,000 feet away. While she was talking with an officer outside her home, Wilson reportedly drove toward them. When the officer stopped Wilson, he allegedly said he was aware he was not allowed to linger in the area, but claimed he was in the neighborhood because he was looking to buy a houseboat. Police did arrest him on suspicion of stalking and violating a court order.
It's not fair, it's not right, and this is all documented. This isn't me just making, accusations that don't have any grounding. It's there. It's in text messages, it's in pictures, it's in surveillance video where I live.
Documents detail the alleged harassment with repeated phone calls Wilson's accused of making, social media posts, and this text exchange where Keller sent a message to Wilson saying, "Leave me alone," and Wilson replied, "Never." This afternoon, the prosecutor told the judge they're not ready yet to file charges.
Mr. Polito, please advise your client that if charges are filed in the future, he'll be notified by mail.
And since Wilson works for King County, the prosecuting attorney's office here is recusing itself to avoid conflict of interest and transferring this case to Snohomish County prosecutors. It will be up to them to decide on charges. Joyce?
And do we know how long it might take for prosecutors to make that decision?
A timeline is still unclear, but what we do know is there is a lot of paperwork for prosecutors to go over, a lot of evidence, and so there could take a bit of time before we know about charges. Joyce?
In Seattle tonight, Natalie, thank you.